Hi, in this video we are going to talk about strict type definition. Strict type definition is like a type definition except it forces everything about an instance to be identical to the strict type definition file. For example, you have remembered that we have created this type definition in our last video. For example, if I want this science mark to be Arial font, right? And I want to change the color of this to black and change the font size as well. Let me change the size to 36. Now, as you can see, this is also, let me just create some space. Now, this is also another instance of the same data type. Both these instances are of the same data type. As you can see, click on open type def, and this is also the same open type def, right? But I have the liberty, I have provision to change some properties of this type definition file. Now, let us quickly create another cluster. Let me quickly copy this, disconnect this cluster, right? Let me disconnect it and change it to strict type def. You must have remembered the process. Go to strict type def. Now this is my strict type def. Let me save it inside the controls folder. Rename it strict type def control. Right? Click on OK and save. As you can see, so we have created this strict type def. Now, if I change the instance, or if I create one another instance, you see that the font and the color or the size has been replicated to this instance also. Now, even if I want to change this, and right, as you can see, I am clicking on the control, I cannot change the name. So let us quickly go to open type def, change the color of this, go over here, click on color, and let's say green color. So now, as you can see, the science marks has been written in green color. And if I click on save, you can see both the instances have the similar properties. That's why it is named as strict, because all the properties except three properties are very strict in nature, and all the instances of this strict type def will have the same properties. It is not the case in type def. As you can see, if I change the color over here again to green, or let's say red, this instance is not affected, right? So except the label, description, and the default value, all the instances inside the strict type definition will have the same properties. So this is all about the strict type definition and type definitions. We will learn more about type definitions when we are going to use it in our state machine or design pattern sections. In our design pattern sections, we are going to use our type definition controls very heavily. So in that section, we are going to understand more about it.